Hello, children. Welcome to St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypura. A pleasant morning to everyone. Children, myself, Venkatesh Kulkarni, 6th standard social science teacher. Children, I hope everyone is fine. Children, I have done MA in English and B.Ed. Children, I have 7-year experience in teaching field. I have served as a teacher at SS High School in Nidoni. It comes in Vijaypura district. And Aksharda Public School, Vijaypura. Children, today I am going to give the brief explain about your syllabus. Children, you have 11th lesson in first semester, 10th lesson in second semester. So first lesson means first part social science. You have 7th lesson in history section, 2 lessons in civics section, 2 lessons in geography section. So first lesson in history section, that is introduction to history. Second one, our Karnataka. So you will learn about 2 divisions of Karnataka, Bengaluru division and Mysuru division. Third one, prehistoric society. Fourth one, ancient civilizations of the world. So we will learn about Egyptian civilization, right from Egyptian civilization to Harappan civilizations. Fifth one, Christianity and Islam. Sixth one, rise of new religions. It may be Buddhism and Jainism. Seventh one, important dynasty of North India. Some important dynasties ruled in North India. They may be Maurya, Gupta. So these are all important dynasties. They ruled in North India. We will learn in 7th lesson. These are all 7th lesson in history section. 2 lessons are there in civics section. 8th one, citizenship. 9th one, national symbols and national integration. In geography section, you have 2 lessons, globe and maps. 11th one, Asia, a land of contrast. So these are all 11th lessons in first semester. In second semester, means social science part 2, second semester. In history section, you have 5 lessons. Our Karnataka continued. In first semester, you will learn about Bengaluru and Mysuru division. And in this semester, second semester, you will learn about Kalaburgi and Belagavi division. Second one, important dynasty of South India. They may be Cholas, Pallavas, Kadambas. Some important dynasties they ruled in South India. You will learn about the important dynasty of South India in second lesson. Third one, Kodagu, Kitturu, Tulunadu and Hyderabad, Karnataka. Some minor dynasties they ruled in small regions of the Karnataka. They were small regions, Kodagu, Kitturu, Tulunadu and Hyderabad, Karnataka. Fourth one, religious and social reform movement. Fifth one, very important lesson, that is Rajputs in Indian history. So these are all 5 lessons in history section. Next, civics section, you have 3 lessons, government. 6th one, government. And 7th one, union government and state government judiciary. 8th one, human rights. These are all 3 lessons in civics section, second semester. And geography section, you have 2 lessons. 9th one, Europe, the peninsula of Asia. 10th one, Africa, the central continent. So 11th lessons are there in first semester, 10th lessons are there in second semester. Children, this is about your syllabus, year syllabus. Thank you, children.